give us capacity and make us worthy, that we may evince the most great steadfastness, renounce this world and all its people, kindle the fire of thy love, and even as candles burn bright with a consuming flame, and shed abroad our radiance.
O Lord of the kingdom, deliver us from this world of vain illusions, and lead us unto the realm of the infinite. Suffer us to be wholly freed from this nether life, and cause us to be blessed with the bountiful gifts of the kingdom.